What's up guys? So right now I'm gonna be filming a Brandy video because I know you love Brandy videos, or at least I love Brandy videos, and I haven't posted one in a bit. So today I'm gonna be doing something I don't think I've ever done, or anything similar. I'm gonna be doing a monochromatic week from Brandy. Each day I'm gonna be picking guys, help me with my words. Each day of the week, I'm gonna be picking a new color to wear as a monochromatic. So it's gonna be all the same color. There's gonna be no stripes. Personally, I don't really see many people just wearing one color. So we're gonna be trying it out for a week with Brandy clothes. Initially, I was gonna try to shop for all the Brandy clothes in a store, but I realized that's nearly impossible because they don't have a bunch of the same color in stores. So I'm gonna be doing this online, but it's still gonna be very fun. Don't worry. Let's get shopping. On the Brandy website right here, they have colors under their clothing category. I'm gonna first start off with blue. Most likely we're gonna be picking blue jeans because they're blue pants. I think they work. I'm gonna be doing different shades of blue, so it's not just all the same color. I feel like I might pick something like this, these jeans right here, where they're slightly baggy. They are mid-rise, dark wash, straight leg, fitted relaxed jeans. Okay, let's get these. Then I think I'm gonna pick this shirt right here. It's a slightly lighter tone blue because we picked dark wash jeans. So I'm gonna get that right here. Okay, then I think I'm gonna get this jacket right here. It's this Faith puffer jacket, reversible. Oh, it's both sides. Okay, perfect. Then I'm gonna get that jacket right there. And then, let's maybe go into hats. And then we're gonna get this hat right here. Let's peep purple. Ooh, okay, I like the purple. There's so many more purples. For bottoms, let's do these ones right here. These actually look really cute. So I'm gonna get that in a size small. Let's do this tube top right here because it's a lavender, and that is a shade of purple. So I'm gonna select that. I feel like that will go with the bottoms pretty well. I'm gonna get this purple jacket right here. Add it to the cart. So the next color we're gonna go into is green. Let's get these pants right here. These Jane cargo green pants. Those are really cute. So I'm gonna get those in a size small. Oh, perfect. They have a canvas green belt. I'm gonna get that. We need to find maybe a hoodie would be nice so I don't have to get a t-shirt. How about we get this hoodie right here? Add that to the cart. Perfect. So we have a hoodie, we have a belt, we have the pants. Let's see if they have by any chance a green beanie. Oh yes, we have a green. That is so perfect. So we have blue, green, purple. Let's do red and then we'll do yellow. Oh my gosh, wait. Wait, overalls. I'm so getting these. Then let me just get a long sleeve red shirt to go with it. Let's try this one right here, this turtleneck. So I'm gonna add that to the cart. Boom. Backpacks. Let's go to backpacks. Oh yes, they definitely have red ones. Ooh, that's a different shade too. Okay, I'm gonna get this right here. So last outfit is gonna be yellow. They have yellow shorts, and we haven't done any shorts, so I might go with that actually. Fit size small. I'm definitely gonna need a sweater because that is gonna be cold. Okay, let's do this long sleeve right here. I'm gonna get this yellow pen right here, so then I can put it on the sweater. Perfect. I'm gonna check out and wait for all this to get here. So the packages have now all arrived. The week begins. Also, you're whoa, Fiona, your hair looks a lot different. Boom, I got my hair dyed. There's gonna be something interesting going on in each day to kind of represent that color. So today is gonna be green. I'm only gonna be drinking and eating things from Starbucks because they have a green logo. As you guys know, I feel like everyone drinks Starbucks. So let's get started. This is the green sweatshirt. It's actually really cool. It's a nice army green. Low-key, I feel like my dad owns this, which is kind of funny. Here is the green belt right here. Oh, yes. The green pants. These look really cute. We have the green beanie, and then these are the shoes. These are Nike Air Forces. I feel like they're more on the green side, but at the same time, I see a bit of yellow. I'm gonna get dressed real quick, show you guys, and then we're gonna get off to Starbucks so I can get my meal and blend in there. We have the beanie on. I feel like I look like a little goblin. Let's go look in a mirror to see exactly what I look like. This is actually kind of sick. I love these pants. I actually do have them in black. I'm kind of surprised. It's like still very like the same color and it's super plain, but because of all the tones, it like ties together. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm one with the earth. Literally, I don't know if you can hear my stomach, but it keeps rumbling. I'm getting like delirious because I'm so hungry. My eyes are watering now. I don't know what's going on with me. I need food. I feel like I'm crying now. Okay, what's wrong with me? I don't know. I'm gonna get 2 bowls of oatmeal and I'm gonna get a matcha drink. 1 down, 1 to go, but I'm gonna take it actually to go because I'm full, which I didn't think I would be. Then we have my drink. I just went to like a meeting wearing an all green outfit, which I felt like kind of like she was looking at me weird, but like, it's okay. I'm a YouTuber, so like, it's more understandable. Anyways, we're gonna head home so then I can get school done. I feel like the blue and the green low-key like clash. My hair doesn't like go with this outfit. If I had my brown hair, I feel like it would look really perfect. We're gonna get going to Starbucks. I just have to find my beanie, but I have no idea where I put it. So, gotta go find that. Am I the only one who goes into their like parents' car when their parents are in the car? Oh, music. If my mom's at the grocery store, I'll just stay in the car and listen to music. I feel like I'm weird. Let me know in the comments if you do that too. We're now at a different Starbucks to get some quality lunch. I really hope they have like a veggie panini because that actually sounds good. And I really do not want to have oatmeal again because that was not so good. Oh, and I have to find another green drink. Maybe I'll get like a green tea. That's what I'll get. A green tea lemonade. Lunch. Ooh, the fit. I feel very like plain. I feel like one of my favorite outfits is gonna be the red one and the blue. I don't know how I feel about the green. Like green just brings out my olive skin. I don't know, I feel like I just look a little off today. I'm gonna go up to my best friend Megan's house and then I'm gonna try to find a Starbucks near her and get some kind of food before they close. And if they close, then I'm just gonna eat something else green because I am hungry again. I'm cheating, but they're green, guys, so it's okay. The sandwich made my stomach hurt and I needed like some vegetable to wash it down. That doesn't make sense. Anyways, we're going. So, I'm now at Megan's house. What do you think of the fit? It looks very good. Yeah, you like it?
Yeah, I even said it when you walked in my house. Yeah, like I would approve of you wearing that just regularly.
Update. So from all the gluten I had today, as you guys can see right here, I got this horrible rash. I didn't eat any more gluten because that's the only stuff that they have at Starbucks. But I had some green soup. It has like green peas? Sweet peas, no. Some kind of peas that made it look green. So I didn't cheat fully, but I didn't want to make this any worse. That was the day. I actually like the green. I personally would pair it like with probably something a bit brighter. Like if this sweatshirt matched the shoes, then I feel like it'd be perfect. But I don't know, it wasn't perfect, but I feel like the other outfits will hopefully satisfy me more. See you tomorrow. It is now the blue day. Today we're going to SF to visit Dote, so that's the reason why I wanted to pick blue, because Dote's app logo and a lot of their like interior design and their building is blue. So this is their little app. If you guys want to follow me on there, it's FionaFrills. So this is the outfit. We have the jeans, the shirt, the hat, and then we have this jacket, which I really want to do like reversible. That's actually so sick. There's even zippers on this side. And then we have these shoes, which I haven't seen in person. Oh, okay. They're actually pretty sick. That's actually like a fit. I like it. And this is just all tones of blue. Like that's actually pretty crazy. I don't have the jacket on yet, but I want to see what the outfit looks like. Oh, okay. So we have the shoes right here. Then we have these jeans. Then the shirt. And the hat. I'm not sure how I feel about the jeans because they're like low rise and they're like bell bottoms. So this is what it looks like with the jacket. The hat and the shoes I feel like just give me some 80s vibes, but I actually really like this fit. Like I would wear this even though it's all the same color. Like I feel like it's so cool. And the shirt is like a nice bright blue, and then my hair is like a grayish blue, and then with the hat I just like it. But yeah, this is the fit. We're going up to SF. I'm really gonna blend into Dote when I'm there. It is pouring out right now. I love this jacket because it's keeping me warm in this rainy weather. Update, these pants do not have any elastic in them, so I have a really bad wedgie and I've just been sitting and I'm just struggling over here. Thought I would share. We're, I would say like 10 minutes away from Dote, so let's transport there. I'm here with the lovely Dote girls.
Hi, I'm Caitlin from Dote, and I would rate Fifi's outfit today as a 10 out of 10.
Yeah?
I'm super into the all blue. I especially like the blue puffer coat. Those are really cool right now. If I was gonna change anything, I'd probably like switch up the color of the shoes just to make them pop a little bit.
I agree, I agree.
I'm feeling it. And the blue hair is amazing. You should keep it.
I would give the outfit a 9 out of 10. I'm definitely liking the blue, and the puffer jacket is like really cool.
I think I rate this outfit also a 9 out of 10. I really, really love it. I want to see more of your hair though. I want to see it without
the hat?
Yeah.
Okay, I would take the hat off if my hair's really messy under, so that's why the hat's on.
I would rate the outfit a 10 out of 10.
Woo,
I
thank
do love
you.
the puffer jacket, but I would switch the sneaker and puffer jacket color combo.
I want to comment on your hair.
Okay.
It's the best part of the outfit. And I would give the
Thank you.
hair alone 11 out of 10.
Oh, thank you. That means so much. Thank you guys for having me. Blue has definitely been my favorite so far. So I will see you tomorrow. It is now yellow day and I'm a bit scared because it's 51 degrees and I'm gonna be wearing shorts and a sweater, like a light sweater. I'm gonna be freezing. Let's just show you the outfit. We have extremely short shorts, which is not my favorite. I don't really like shorts that much. Today's plan is we're gonna go to a photo shoot for Frilliance, and yellow is one of the main colors in like the Frilliance website and in the products. It's gonna like go with the outfit, or like the outfit's gonna go with the set. I have not seen the outfit on. I still have to put the shoes on. Oh, I just checked if these pants were like on backwards, but no, they're just really, really short in the back. I'm gonna like be very self-conscious in these because I don't like when my butt is just like hanging out of my shorts. Honestly, it's different to say the least. I feel like a very colorful blob right now. Like, I can't wait until this week is over and I can just wear an all black outfit. I put the little honey pin on right there. It's not super noticeable. Time to put the shoes on. That is gonna be interesting. I don't know how I feel about this. I tied the shirt or like the sweater, but it's so cold that I don't think I'll be able to leave it up. But like it could be like a, I'm gonna go play basketball in my super short shorts and a very unpractical outfit day. We gotta get going to the photo shoot. I'm gonna, oh my gosh, I'm gonna laugh. Okay, let's do it. We're trying to decide which one we're gonna get rid of. We have a lot that we have favorited. I don't know which one. I feel like maybe this one's really silly. So it is later. I don't even remember the last thing I showed you guys, but you're like, Fiona, is it day blue now? This is my outfit. I literally took it off. I was like, I need to be warm and stand by my heater with sweatpants and like an oversized shirt. So yeah, that was outfit. Honestly, it was kind of like a tracksuit or like a basketball like suit look. Like I didn't mind it. It was just not right for the weather outside today because it was like 51 degrees and it's now raining. And if you're wondering what Frilliance is, the photo shoot we did today, it is my makeup line. If you guys want to go check it out, I will have it linked down below. It's awesome stuff. I would highly recommend it. And yeah, just wanted to share, but I will see you tomorrow. Happy Valentine's Day. I am gonna be wearing red today. Whoa, okay, this is actually kind of sick. Okay, so we have the, what are these called? Overalls. And then we have this red turtleneck to go under it. It's kind of like a maroony red. And then we have a backpack to go with it, which is kind of like a maroon red. These are the shoes I ordered. They're not the cutest. I'm gonna put this on. I'm a bit nervous, actually. I feel like this could look really odd on me. We'll see. And there's my little cat. How cute is he? Hi, baby. Oh, there we go. Are we ready for the outfit reveal? Oh God. Oh, my cat doesn't even like it. This is so unflattering. Like, I kind of feel like a farmer that's trying to be stylish. The shoes, I just don't really like with the outfit. The backpack just, I literally started laughing when I put it on. But let's just start the day. Start the Valentine's Day. I figured a good idea for Valentine's Day because I don't really have many plans. I'm gonna go into Target with this all red outfit because like Target is all red. So we're gonna look at the Valentine's Day stuff, you know. pig out on some candy, watch Netflix. That's about the day. Or that's about, what? That's the day. Aw, Valentine's Day. I blend in. I feel like a 5-year-old in the cart because that's what I always used to do when I didn't want to walk in a grocery store. We're going to the Valentine's Day section. Guys, everything is sold out for Valentine's Day. Like, look, there's like very little of everything. And then back here, there's also like nothing. Oh, there's some cards, okay. Too many people have Valentine's, I guess. Here's my little friend. We're gonna leave Target because I've embarrassed myself enough. So I just got home from Target and I'm gonna lay in bed and watch some Netflix. I'm watching the show You. The show is like actually really creepy. Let me know in the comments if you guys have watched this because it's like kind of scaring me. I think I'm gonna end today's day because I'm just gonna lay in bed for the rest of the day. The only thing that I would change about the outfit is, or actually there's 2 things. The shoes, because I feel like they look like Skechers. Also, if I could put a belt on, that would be awesome, but I sadly can't because they didn't have any red belts at Brandy. But that was the red day. I hope you enjoyed. See you tomorrow. So it is now the last day. I'm gonna be wearing the purple outfit. We have this tube top, which is like a nice lavendery color. Then we have this like purple jacket and then these purple pants. And I think they're the exact same material. Like they're this like suede-ish material. And I feel like they're the same color almost. I don't know what the shoes look like. I've completely forgot. So let's, oh my gosh, those are sick. Okay, I actually think this is gonna be sick because it's gonna tie in like the lavendery tube top. Okay, we're gonna put it on. Oh, I actually kind of really like this. I was thinking that it would be like too much purple because like these are like the exact same color, but I actually like really like this outfit. I have to go to my dentist appointment and then I might go to urgent care because I've been getting really bad rashes at night on my jaw and on my cheeks. And then Megan's gonna come over later. We'll see what she thinks of the fit. And yeah, that's just about the day, but we gotta get going to my dentist appointment. I can't lie, not wearing a belt feels kind of good, but at the same time, I like really want a belt because I like how belts are like kind of an accessory, but it's okay. Today's the last day. Tomorrow, I'll be able to wear a belt. I am now at the dentist. I'm gonna go get my teeth checked on. Just found out that I grind my teeth at night. We're gonna go to the mall so we can go into the Brandy store, look around. I feel like this is a very Brandy outfit, so I feel like that'd be fitting. Now in Brandy, I am noticing that there's a lot of like maroon in here, or like kind of like a pinky, like purple. So I feel like purple's very in right now. I'm trying not to get anything, and it's like the hardest thing for me. I wanna get someone's opinion in here of like my outfit, but I'm like nervous to ask. Love that. Oh my gosh, do you guys wanna be in my vlog? I'm wearing a Brandy outfit today. What do you guys think? Like, be honest. Like, I honestly don't care. You like it?
Fun, yeah.
Okay.
Purple's my favorite color.
Okay. So it's a yes?
Yeah, and I feel like you could go to like the city and like take like photos and it'd be like really cool.
Exactly. Thank you guys. It was nice meeting you. Bye. So I tried on some jeans. I had to. I couldn't help myself. I got some jeans, and at the cash register, she's like, "Oh my gosh, I love your monochromatic outfit, and your hair's so sick." And I was like, "Oh my god, I love you." She like knew what monochromatic was. I feel like everyone does, but like she described it as that. That made me really happy. I'm now back home. I'm glad I got my subscribers' opinion on the outfit. I feel like it's actually a pretty good outfit. I like it. I just really wish I could wear a belt because then I feel like my waist would look a little more snatched, because with these pants, they're really baggy on my waist, so that would be nice, but it's okay. I'm now with Megan. What do you think of the purple fit, Magoon?
You know, okay, well, you know what? I'm kind of a little bit biased because I don't like purple that much.
Okay, same. That's my thing.
But I think it's cool. I mean, it works well together. You did a good job.
Thank you,
I hope
Magoon.
the girlies love it.
Oh my god, I love you. Oh! So that was the week of all the oh my gosh, I can't say monochromatic. Oh, there we go. I definitely will wear monochromatic outfits like more often than I used to, like before this video, because I actually feel like it's cool, like mixing all the different shades and tones of that one color. We did red, green, blue, yellow, and purple. My least favorite out of them all would definitely be the yellow, and my favorite outfit was definitely the blue outfit. I just thought it was so cool, and it also matched my hair. I loved the jacket. I thought the pants were cool. The shoes were also really cool. So overall, I think that was definitely my favorite. I hope you enjoyed the themes of each day, and I hope you learned something from this video. If you want to like wear monochromatic outfits, I love you so much. Keep smiling, and I love you. Bye!